Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best solar ovens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Renogy 100-watt 12-volt portable waterproof 20A controller. If you are in the market for an easy-to-set-up, yet powerful 100-watt solar panel, then this just might be your best option. It is able to operate at a high maximum voltage and amps while at Pmax, which helps to make it one of the most efficient solar panels on the market. It is also relatively lightweight, making it a great possibility for anyone looking for a portable solar panel that they can take down whenever it isn't in use. What really sets this particular panel apart, however, from all of the other models on the market is its high compatibility with different types of batteries. No matter what type of battery or vehicle you intend to use these panels for, whether it be sealed, lithium, gel, or flooded, you should have no issue whatsoever. This high level of compatibility makes these some of the most versatile panels you can buy. The controller that comes with this purchase is also of the highest quality. It is effortless to read, so you are getting the correct level of electricity to keep your batteries charged or keep your equipment running efficiently. The only thing that is a bit of an issue with these panels is that the connector cables they come with are a bit on the short side. This is, obviously, not the biggest deal, since you can either make sure you keep all of your components close at hand or purchase some longer cables. While this will cost a bit more, it might help to make hooking up your electronics to these otherwise stellar panels a bit easier. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tishi HERY 120W Portable Solar Panel Foldable. If portability is important to you, then this panel just might be the right fit. To start with, it is foldable, so it is effortless to transport. In fact, when it is completely collapsed, these panels are only 17 inches across, making them a great option for anyone with a limited amount of storage. They even have a convenient, easy-to-carry handle to make transporting them a breeze. Even though they are very small when collapsed, these panels are some of the largest on the market when expanded. This large surface area helps to capture a ton of the sun's rays, which means these panels are both easy to transport and powerful at the same time. Something else that makes this option so portable is the panel's lightweight design. They are quite thin and very light, despite their overall dimensions. They weigh a minuscule 5.9 pounds, which is light enough for pretty much anyone to move from place to place. The final factor that helps to make these panels so portable is the extra long connector cables. Unlike the cables that you get with a lot of other solar panels, these cables are quite long, which helps to make hooking them up in various places and orientations quite simple. Of course, as you would expect from such a thin and lightweight set of panels, these are not very durable. You will have to be sure to move them quite carefully, as any big bumps or drops could easily damage them if you are not careful enough. At number 3, we have the Dokyo 110W18V Portable Foldable Solar Panel. One of the biggest complaints that the solar industry as a whole faces is that panels are still too expensive. This high cost is the reason that so many people are unwilling or unable to switch over from their gas-powered generators. Thankfully, as solar technology continues to improve, this is starting to become less and less of an issue. These panels, for instance, are quite budget-friendly. Even if you don't have a ton of extra spending money available to you, these make getting a solar system up and running much more affordable. Though these panels are much cheaper than other models, that doesn't mean that they aren't a quality product. Of all the different panels that we looked into, these can offer the highest amp level at Pmax, which is quite impressive for such a cheap set of panels. As you would expect with such a light set of panels, these are designed to be highly portable. They have a built-in suitcase design that makes transporting them nice and easy. They only weigh about 5 pounds, which is another reason they are so portable. One thing that you will need to keep in mind with this set, however, is that they are not very durable. Their case and the panels themselves are actually quite fragile, and won't hold up under rough treatment or wet conditions. If you do decide to purchase these panels, just be sure to take them down when they are not in use. It would also be a good idea to keep them stowed in a safe and secure spot so that they don't suffer any accidental damage. At number 2, we have the Renogy 2 pieces 100W Monocrystalline Photovoltaic PV Solar Panel. Renogy has long built an excellent reputation in the world of solar panels based on their panels' high quality and power output. These panels are no exception. In fact, they are capable of producing the higher number of amps and volts at Pmax of any of the solar panels that we looked into. If you are looking for a solar panel that can produce a ton of electric power for all of your devices, then these are a great option. Something else that helps to make these panels a sound investment is their durable design. The outer frame is made of corrosion-resistant aluminum. Even though this frame provides plenty of stability and protection against the elements and drops, it is still quite lightweight. This protective frame helps to make these extremely tough, which, in turn, makes them an excellent option for permanent installation, even though they are light enough to put up and take down each time you need them. The package also includes a set of connectors, which are just long enough to make it easy to connect your setup. The only issue with these otherwise wonderfully durable connectors is that they are, unfortunately, somewhat hard to use. The clips on them are very tight, which makes opening and closing them quite difficult. The flip side of this issue, of course, is that once they are hooked up, they are not very likely to come undone, which is definitely a positive. And finally at number 1, we have the Acopower HERY AA1228 Foldable Solar Panel. If you are relatively new to the world of solar panels, then you are going to want to make sure that you get a great kit. By purchasing a solar panel kit, you will be able to get your system up and running much faster than if you had tried to find all of the different elements you need on your own. You also won't need to worry about any compatibility issues, since all or most of the components will be from the same company. If this sounds like you, then this model might be a good place to start. It comes with pretty much everything that you need, included the panel itself, connectors, a battery, and a protective carrying case. The only thing missing that you might want to find on your own would be a high-quality controller, but that shouldn't be too big of an issue. The panel boasts of having extremely durable and well-designed components. It comes with pre-installed stands, which makes setup a lot easier. The corners are also reinforced so that they won't get damaged easily. Aside from the lack of a controller, the other issue that you might have with this set is that the instructions are not very clear. They can be quite challenging to understand, so be sure to find some online tutorials or ask an expert when you are setting these up so that you can get it done correctly the first time. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.